Hi everyone. Hello Philippines and hello world. Welcome back to my channel. Okay? So today po, we will be discussing complex fractions, no? Okay, how do we solve complex fraction? And what is a complex fraction, by the way? As we all know, di ba? When we say complex fraction, it is a rational expression whose numerator or denominator, or both the numerator and the denominator, contains one or more fraction. Okay, so more complicated siya tanawon na fraction. Okay, so it says here that in simplifying a complex fraction, we express the numerator and then the denominator into a single fraction. Then that's the time we divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so let's answer number 1. Simplify 1 over x minus 1 over y all over 1 over x plus 1 over y. So this is an example of complex fractions. So how do we simplify this? Okay, now as you observe, we have an operation minus in the numerator and then an operation sum in the denominator. So we need to subtract and then we need to add. Okay, now as we observe in the numerator, we have 1 over x minus 1 over y. So what we're going to do, if you can still recall how to simplify a fraction that are dissimilar, we need to get the LCD. So the LCD here is xy. Okay, so xy divide x is y times 1, you have y. Minus xy divide y is x times 1, you have x. All over. Can you follow? Here we need to get the LCD xy. Okay, LCD xy, we divide it to the first denominator, which is x. So xy divide x is y times 1, you have y. So we copy plus. Okay, LCD, we divide it to the second denominator, which is y. So xy divide y is x times 1, you have x. Now, as you look at the fraction, they have now the same denominator. So you could cancel that directly. No? So you can have, your final answer would be y minus x over y plus x. Okay? Kasi makancel nyo to eh. So what is left? Y minus x is equal to y plus x. So this is your answer. Okay? Simple lang ano? Okay. Let's try another complex fraction in number 2. So you are given t all over 1 plus t minus 1 over t plus 1. So we just simply copy t there, no? In the numerator. Then from here, in the denominator, we add 1 plus this rational expression. So, t all over. So, what is the LCD here? 1 plus a fraction. So, the denominator t plus 1. Okay? So, t plus 1 times 1 here is t plus 1. Okay. So, we copy the plus sign. Plus. T plus 1 divide t plus 1 is 1 times t minus 1, you have t minus 1. So we continue, we copy t, then simplify, you have t plus 1 plus t minus 1 over t plus 1. So from here, we can subtract 1 minus 1, so that is equal to 0, no? So we have now t all over 2t divided by t plus 1. So are we through? So not yet, no? So it's a division. So you have now t over 1 times the reciprocal t plus 1 over 2t. Okay? So now, makancel na to si t. We could cancel t. So what is left? You have, your final answer would be t plus 1 all over 2. Okay? Did you get it, guys? So we just thought that a complex fraction is difficult, but if we mastered the addition and subtraction of fractions, especially to the similar fractions, then we can solve this one. Okay? So these are the only first two examples. So I will give you more example. Okay. We'll just erase this one. Pasensya na po. Okay. So I'll give you another example. X squared over y squared minus 1 all over x squared over y squared minus 2x over y plus 1. Okay? There you go. How do we simplify this? Okay, we assume that this is a fraction minus 1, then a fraction minus a fraction plus 1. Yan lang ang isipin natin. Hello? Yes? Okay lang. Then, let's answer this. In the numerator, we need to get the LCD, which is y squared. Okay? So, y squared divided y squared is 1 times x squared. X squared. So, y squared times 1 minus y squared. Now, how about in the denominator? We need to get the LCD. Y squared y. So, your LCD here is y squared, of course. So, y squared divided y squared is 1 times x squared. You have x squared. You copy minus. Y squared divided y is y times 2x. So, 2xy. Y squared times 1, you have plus y squared. Okay, as you observe, they have the same denominator, so we can cancel that one. We could cancel y squared. So, what is left? You have x squared minus y squared over x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Are we through? Not yet. We will look for the common factor of the numerator and then denominator. So, we need to factor, no? So, you have now, this is just a difference of two squares. So, you have x plus y times x minus y all over, what is this one? A perfect square trinomial. So you have x minus y times x minus y. So, from here, makikita natin ang common nila, no? So, their common is x minus y, so we could cancel x minus y. So, what is left? X plus y all over x minus y. So, that's it. That's how simple a complex fraction, no? If you simplify a complex fraction, simple lang siya. Okay? Thank you po for watching my videos. Don't forget to share it to your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. Salamat po. Amping ta sa tanan.